Have you ever reached the end of your day and wondered, where did all my time go? You've been busy all day, yet somehow the most important tasks are still waiting to be done. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Most people spend their days reacting to distractions, rather than focusing on what truly matters. But what if I told you there's a method that can help you take back control of your time and drastically improve your productivity? Imagine setting a schedule that keeps you on track, helps you focus on your biggest goals, and eliminates the constant overwhelm. That's exactly what time blocking does. And today, I'm going to show you how to use it. Time blocking is more than just a productivity hack. It's a mindset shift that helps you structure your day with intention. Instead of bouncing between tasks, you'll learn to create dedicated time slots for your priorities, helping you get more done in less time. Let's break down how it works. First, we'll identify your top priorities. These are the tasks that will have the greatest impact on your day, and they deserve your full attention. Once you have those, we'll organize your day into focused time blocks. Think of these as appointments with yourself, where you commit to focusing on one task, and one task only. Each time block is designed to match the nature of the task. Quick tasks, like emails, might only need a 30-minute slot, while more complex tasks, like project planning, require longer stretches of uninterrupted time. The beauty of this method is that it creates structure without limiting flexibility. You'll still have room to adjust if something urgent comes up, but your core focus remains intact. And here's something most people forget. Breaks and buffer time are just as important as the work blocks. These short pauses will keep your mind sharp and allow you to tackle the next time block with fresh energy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your own time blocking system. You'll go from feeling overwhelmed by endless tasks to being in control of your day. Ready to take back your time? Let's dive into time blocking and build your most productive day yet. In the next video, we'll dive into the art of setting priorities, so don't forget to turn on notifications. Until then, start blocking your time and let's get focused.